As you're waking up in the morning, this is a great opportunity to get grounded and set clear intentions for the day. So let's get grounded. Let's breathe a little bit and cleanse our bodies and really get clear. So all you need to do is breathe in and breathe out. Now, as you breathe in, I want you to imagine breathing in healing white light, light of divinity, light of your higher power, light of God. Breathe that glowing, healing, loving light into your body. And as you breathe that light in, breathe it into your full body, not just your lungs. From head to toe to your fingertips, your entire body, end to end. Breathe that light in, and when you exhale, exhale surrender. You're surrendering to the day. You're going to allow things to unfold naturally as it's intended to. Of course, you will set your own intentions, but nature will also take its path as well. You will co-create this day with nature, with the universe. So let's begin this. Let's breathe deep breath in and breathe in healing light and hold, and breathe out surrender and just cleanse. So deep breath in, hold, and breathe out surrender. Breathe in divinity, hold, breathe out surrender. Deep breath in, hold, breathe out. Deep breath in, and breathe out. Now, while you keep breathing, there's something you can visualize. Sometimes in our hearts and in our chest with our emotions, we have things that are pent up from the previous day. And so what we want to do is we want to cleanse that out. Now, it's important that as part of our exhaling of surrender, that we don't push away emotions, but instead we allow them to be released. We allow them to be acknowledged so that they're recognized, and then they will naturally go away. And so this is part of a larger exercise that I have a separate recording for. But today we'll do this in a more concise manner as part of your grounding exercise in the morning. I want you to imagine as you're breathing in and filling up your body with light of divinity, of God, that you're especially focused around your chest. And as you're breathing in, you're recognizing your emotions. And you're just saying, hello, I see you, I feel you, I recognize you're there. And thank you for expressing yourself. And so every breath that you take of bringing in divinity, just do a quick recognition of your emotions. To say, I see you, I feel you. And when you breathe out and you're breathing out surrender, you're simply allowing it to be released. You are not pushing the emotions away. You allow it to be released. Allow it to go back out into nature. Well, the thing is, you actually are nature, but this is a visualization exercise that we're doing. And so what this will do is this will help you ground your emotions so that you can have a more grounded day. So let's do this together. Let's take a deep breath in, filling up our body with healing light, recognizing our emotions, and letting air out, and just allowing our emotions to just express themselves and leave. Deep breath in, hold, deep breath in, breath in, exhale, surrender, deep breath in, exhale, surrender, breathe in divinity and light, exhale, surrender, breathe in divinity and light. Exhale, surrender. Breathe in divinity and light. Exhale, surrender. So continue doing that, and as you're doing it, start to be mindful of your body. See where you might be holding in tension in your body. We oftentimes hold tension in our shoulders and our neck. Let's make sure that's relaxed. So if you're lying down in bed right now, let your shoulders, neck, and your head soak into your pillow and the bed. Same thing with your arms, your back, your hips, your legs, your feet. Soak into the bed. The bed is holding you, so feel supported by the bed. You are now supported by the bed. If you're sitting up, either on the floor or on a chair, that's fine too. Just lean back a little bit and feel supported by whatever is holding you up, whether it's your chair or maybe you're sitting up against a wall. If you're not leaning on anything, that's fine. You're still sitting on the ground. The ground is supporting you, so feel supported. And let go of the tension that you feel in your body. And if you need to feel your body a little bit, it's okay to wiggle your body a little bit. So that way you can feel where you might be holding some tightness, some tension. So as we breathe in light of divinity, relax your body. Okay. Let's deep breath in, breathing in divinity. And breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. So as we breathe in and breathe out, we're not just working with our emotions, we're also working with our body. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now as you're breathing, have the white light or the glowing orange light or whatever color that you see, the light of divinity, have it wash the entire inside of your body. Cleanse it like as though it were a washing machine. And extend that further out to outside of your body and around your body. We're cleansing and washing all the energy that is within our body and around us. So deep breath in. Breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Now go ahead and keep doing this as long as you need to, until you feel completely grounded. And then take that groundingness with you for your entire day, so that you can clearly manifest from a place of clarity, of groundedness, of centeredness. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.